Hey guys, good afternoon. So we are gonna discuss about the CBSE's official statement regarding the wrong answer keys. So let's just firstly see the circular given by CBSE. So yeah, this is a circle given by CBSE on 2/12/21, as you can see here. So they are just saying that CBSE is conducting objective type of question examination this year for class 10th and 12th. Okay, so they are saying that waited on the same day with the help of answer keys provided by CBSE. So yeah, your the next point that आपकी OMR शीट्स उस दिन इवेलुएट हो जाती हैं जिस दिन आपका एग्ज़ाम होता है और उसी आंसर की से होती हैं जो CBSE के द्वारा प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं. ओके, सो या दे आर एक्सेप्टिंग दैट कि कोई मिस्टेक हो सकती है क्वेश्चन पेपर में या आंसर की में आंसर रॉन्ग मार्क हो सकता है, ये पॉसिबिलिटी है. सो CBSE अगले पॉइंट में कह रहा है कि CBSE अपने थर्ड पॉइंट में कह रहा है कि उनके पास सेटल सिस्टम है ऐसे इश्यूज़ को देखने का. सो ये ऑलरेडी उनको बता दिया गया क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट सी द नेक्स्ट पेज ऑफ दिस. ओके, so in case of any mistake a paper or some answer is wrong, student may reply the question as per their wish. So according to me, according to me, this could be a hint that they will give common marks to all. Okay, so evaluators may evaluate the OMRs according to the answer की provided to them. जो evaluator होते हैं आपकी कॉपी चेक करते हैं, वो उसी आंसर के अकॉर्डिंग करते हैं जो CBSE के द्वारा प्रोवाइड की जाती है. ओके, so, as mentioned above, CBSE has a well-settled mechanism to act on the observation received about mistakes in question paper on an answer key based on the recommendation of the subject experts at the time of preparation of result. Okay, so result के time ये marks आपको मिल जाएंगे. Okay, so CBSE is just requesting that this information should be spread among the students giving a term 1 examination. So that's it. And here you can see Sanyam sir's sign, so you can just verify it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and you can find the link to the PDF in the description. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day.